The bees are swarming again. This one swarmed right into the bush here. Right on the fence. That's where it swarmed last year.
I think they're going to
And look at, if you can see them. Still a whole bunch underneath the box again. Oh, I followed them. I think they might gonna be going into, they're right all on that baby carriage. Looks like they picked that stroller to go and stay on. Wow. Yep, it looks like that's where they're gonna land. Weird.